Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look here at Solana, seeing what's going on. We're just going to jump right into the charts, kind of see the back-end data here, kind of where we're at, because there was a lot of liquidation above the price action when we looked earlier, and my guess is it has been swept, oh boy, that's a doozy. Sorry to all those shorts at 97, 98. Those are goners. If we take a look here, 100. As per usual, that's the exact same resistance that we talked about. I think we are due to break through that, of course, because Bitcoin stabilizing the way that Solana has held this price action pretty well with Bitcoin pulling back. I think we're in a decent shape to see the price continue. And I personally also feel Bitcoin is going to be able to hold this level above 45K. So having said all that, 100, 102, those are all heavy concentrations of liquidation for this coin. Quick little congrats to our community members. We took a nice little swing trade this morning, little 5x leverage trade at about 22% in 3 hours. We also have a Bitcoin trade open as well, 36% in 4 days. And our Premium Plus group has just been scalping the heck out of XRP, Litecoin again, XRP again, ETH, Matic. that's just today. Again, you want good opportunities. My day trading bot works hard for us, okay? I'm finding really good opportunities. That's based on my day trading strategy that I have in place. So again, check that out in your own time. CryptoCash.tech is a site link down below. There are limited slots available, so just a heads up on that. Taking a look at the daily though, what we want to talk about here is the moving average. We're still below the 20, so it's not like we've broken out and we're totally free and clear, but hitting this $100 mark, this previous support level at 99.50/100, getting through that is going to be super huge. So to me, a closure above 100 is what we're looking for. If we take a look at see here, all the other indicators are bullish. We don't even need to talk about that. I'll spare you some time. The daily time frame looks great, minus being under the 20. If we take a look at the 20-day SMA, it's now below the price action, and we're testing the 50 on the 4-hour. This is equally as important to get above that level. All the more reason a substantial close above 100 will be perfect. Okay, now again, we got to keep in mind we got this power 3 situation where we got this accumulation phase, the liquidation phase, and of course the breakout phase there essentially. And if you're kind of curious what I'm talking about, you typically see this blue zone here is essentially the accumulation. We got manipulation, liquidity, and then of course we got the expansion phase. So we're in expansion right now. Bitcoin is doing the same thing, and typically expansion phases will bull pennant and bull flag out. So we might and should very well see the price continue further. That's basically just, again, statistical probabilities, right? Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we got a nice little 50 above 50 on the RSI. We got the money flow index high. We're diverging on the stochastic, so it does imply we could see a little bit more of a pullback. We do see a further pullback. It would be right here to this most recent resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost 10 attempts to break through that. So we're looking at 40 hours, the price couldn't get through 95.50. Now that we're above that, we're going to see a bounce. And in fact, you can kind of see here, the price already wicked down to that level. Okay, so again, something to kind of be mindful of. Anyways, all the moving averages, everything's looking great, but stochastics telling us pullback would make sense. So again, getting in at 95.50, 96 would maybe be a good consideration at this point. If you're not in already, if you're part of my community, just let the trade ride. We're good. We got confirmation. We took nice profit on our first target, and we're just waiting for the rest to hit. So with the 1 hour, what we got on double check here is Ichimoku cloud. We're above the cloud now. We were talking about this earlier. We were breaking through it when I reviewed this last. So this is a very bullish sign here. In other words, keep in mind, if the price doesn't break out soon, we will see the lagging span intersect with the price action. So we do want to see the price go up in the relative near future. But the truth is here, we have all green lights to leave your long position open. There's no reason to close it. Another thing too we want to look at is the 15-minute time frame here with our CC golden indicator, and just kind of see here that it's given us some pretty good buy and sell signals here. And we got another buy signal here recently. So we have confirmation based on a myriad of factors that I have built into that indicator. And then on top of that, being above the cloud, a lot of really good reasons why we have mostly green lights here. And I say mostly just because we are overextended. A pullback would make sense, but it's kind of already pulled back and wicked down to this level. So again, maybe put a limit order at 95.50 if you're curious. Jump in at 97.50 as well, potentially to average your price down with some additional targets on the downside. That's usually what I like to do myself. All right, folks, so that's kind of where we're at there. Overall, pretty decent shape here for Solana. Hypothetically, a really, really nice situation. Again, when I analyze coins, I'm looking for reasons not to take a trade, and there's very few reasons not to take a long position with this coin. Only thing you got to think about is if Bitcoin sells off pretty rapidly, which is still a possibility, then Solana could do so as well. But we got this nice little volume profile here at about 94. Solid chance we're going to be able to hold this price point regardless of that fact. Okay. All right. So what are your thoughts? Comment below. Let us know. Also, if you haven't yet already, be sure to register for this trading competition. You do have to use my link to register for Bitunix. No KYC, no VPN, of course. But again, this is just a beneficial offer for you. It shouldn't incentivize you to trade more. It just incentivizes you to have a nice little trading activity and just get paid for using the exchange. It's kind of the benefit there. So cool stuff there. Check that out in your own time. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks again so much for your time. We'll see you next one. Take care.